facial on the market, and it's definitely the most unique facial I've gotten for sure. Everyone said that it changed their skin in a lot of different ways, fine lines, acne, scars. I had a lot of laugh lines and a lot of fine lines on my neck. I'm a grad student, so I'm constantly looking down, and it's made a huge difference.
A microcurrent machine emits extremely low voltage electrical currents, which mirror your own body's electrical currents on a cellular level to repair damaged skin and stimulate collagen and elastin production. The technology combines 4 independent microcurrent output channels programmed to affect all layers of the skin.
You feel a current, and then it gets hotter, and you just feel a contraction. But it's definitely not painful.
It's very safe, it's non-invasive, it's holistic, so there is no trauma to the skin so that it can regenerate. It just works on building healthy skin cells, nourishing the skin. So you feel, the electricity, you feel zapping, you feel the contraction of the muscle, but it's not painful, and once they really get used to the sensation, they actually like it. It feels almost like a massage. It's very relaxing.